battery is fused. Got my line coming through the car, going to the rear, and right before it reaches the battery in the rear, there's another fuse, and then from there, my amps are fused. One of those fuses, I guess, are possibly blown because I was just cranking it pretty hard. But then again, that makes me wonder: is there an issue with my battery? I'm gonna have to get it tested, or just do some testing myself. So, I got another 100% performance tested and inspected, triple tested and approved by AutoZone. It's just temporary, guys. Just put the new one in. I took the extra wire, my 0 gauge wire I had going over to the positive, the big 3. I took part of that out just because I don't want this alternator sending current, extra current, and it's not capable or made, or I'm just playing this safe. So, I'm on the side of the road at AutoZone, as you can see. Yeah. And this is where I'm at. So, what I'm planning on doing is once I get the singer out, I'm going to do a run of 2-aught. I'm going to get rid of this, get up another plate, do a run of 2-aught over, put a fuse somewhere up in here, rate it for the alternator, and then run it to the alt. And that way, it'll be a fuse, big 3 upgrade, and I feel safe about it. And I'm also going to test my battery in the rear. I don't think my batteries were the issue making this alternator, making the other previous alternators fail. I think it might have just been me in general, just dogging it, because I know that once the voltage goes down, I have to let it charge. This alternator is not capable of charging and playing. So that's where I'm at. Shouts out to Steve. Man, bro, I wish I could have made it out there today, man, but side of the road issues, man. Yeah, so that's not my voltage. That voltmeter is for the battery in the rear. It's not for the battery up front. My voltage is in the mid to upper 14s right now, which is really, really good, but I got something really, really bad to take care of. My North Star SMS 220 battery is bad. Bit the dust. I had it for about a year. I didn't spend too much on it, so I'm not really that mad about it. But still, I need to be trying to get in touch with homeboy that sold it to me and do a little compensation, but I ain't even stunning it. It's cool. Like I said, I spent like $2 and some change on it. A little bit above the market rate, but it is what it was. I'm more than sure, I'm winning. So as long as I wake up every morning and get out here and grind and do what I need to do and do a little extra, I'm gonna win again. So, and as long as I play my moves right, play things smart, that's how you win. Right, so it's that time. I'm gonna go and unplug this thing out of here. Man, this really sucks. Slide it. What the hell? There we go. Pull that off of there. And that's that. That's the bolt that came out. We're gonna put it back in. Then I can focus on the other side. The other side is going to be easy. So, pull this one. Pull this one. Pull this one. And pull that one. I am officially unhooked. If I don't go lithium, if I don't build my own lithium, I'm definitely going to get another one of these. There is without a doubt. These 220s are very nice. Even this little halfway beat up one that I bought. Shouts out to you, homies. I had to have something and I saw the price and I couldn't resist it and I tested out fine. I wanted to believe that it was good, etc., etc. And I'm here making this video with you guys now, prematurely. I should at least got another 3 to 4 years out this battery, easy. But once again, I didn't know the history on it. You know, tested good, etc. That's why a lot of bassheads just say, you know what, I just buy new. You guys, I don't blame you. I don't blame y'all. It's actually not a bad idea. Wait for GP to have a sale. And that's one of the spots that I would go. You know, matter of fact, I ain't even one of the spots. That'll be the only spot that I would go to buy a new North Star battery. Come look at what I'm doing. I got my kids. They just pulled up. So, yeah, I'm taking this out. My little Basshead. Hey, Moon. Say hi. Hi. Cool. And that's pretty much it. So I got the battery unhooked and on to the next step, y'all. I definitely sent my buddy Mike Singer a message last night at around 4 in the morning. I'm sorry, bro, if that email woke you up.